All right, everybody, so I'm going to show you a very basic but still cool trick you can do with a Svengali deck. So let's have our deck of cards. I'll show you that they're all different. Now, as we go through, we're going to have somebody say stop. They're going to have a look at the card they stopped at. Okay. Now we're going to put the deck back together, and I'm going to put it right down on the table. And if I give it a little wave and a snap, the card that they selected is going to magically jump right to the top of the deck. So let me run through that for you one more time, and then I'll show you how to do the trick. So all the cards are different. I'm going to have you say stop. Look at the card you stopped at. You give it a little wave, and the card jumps right to the top of the deck. And when you come back, I'll teach you how to do that.